Welcome to Web Show. This is Bhubal, and in this video, I'm going to talk about in-app subscription by using the Kotlin Multiplatform. My Kotlin Multiplatform applications are already in a Play Store. The name is a Big Boss. In App Store, it called as the Boss. Okay, most of the time, I'll be earning some money, not big money, I could say, like maybe a $10 per year kind of things. But this money always comes from the ads, not from the customers. But if you look at the cost of development, it will be really high, especially when you're providing iOS application support. Then probably you have to pay $99 per year. So obviously you need to get support from the customer so that to continue the operations. Okay, that's where I found like I'm trying to make the application is like a subscription model application where I just add few of the content which I really feel it's prime content. For example, task detail. You won't be get the task detail anywhere else after you end up the episode. So I like to put those content as a prime content. If you want to access content, either you have to enable the ads or you have to enable the subscriptions. If you enable the subscription, I won't be showing you the ad, but you have to pay 0.9 and I would say $1 per year. To enable the subscription, first we have to tell App Store and Play Store that I'm very much interested to make this particular application as a subscriptions applications. The first thing is you just have to go into the app store connect.apple.com where you just have to see your distribution and select your particular application. Then just go into the monetization. Under that there is a three option: price and availability, and there is something like a in-app purchase. This in-app purchase is a one-time cost. You just have to get a $90, then lifetime it will be free for the customer. So but what I'm doing is I'm making the subscription models so that every year customer has to pay some amount for me to continue the service. Okay, so you just click on it. There you'll be seeing some plus button here, besides the subscriptions, where you just have to provide few information so that the subscription group get created. Once the subscription groups gets created, there is a plus button here. Just clicking on the plus buttons, you are allowed to create a subscriptions under that particular subscription group. So here create something like a big boss and a product ID and the duration. So 1 hour, 1 year, then because I said like I said I just wanted $0.99 per year. So you could see that information under current prices and subscription. I made it so 0.99. And then if you go down, I just provide some localization information and image. You can provide any image that gonna pull the customers. But here is a big boss application. I just use default image, whatever I have it for this particular product. And then for review information, I just give the Apple like saying that, hey, this is how this particular UI look like. I'm really not sure whether you can able to see my UI or not. So yeah, this is how. I just say that this is my feature and just having the Go Premium button so that it can be visible to the user. Once you've done all this one, then we have to go into the Kotlin Multi-Platform API to pull this information that I can cover it in a later point in time. So for Play Store, again, you have to choose your particular application where you want to create a subscriptions, and then just go under the monetization with Play Pay and with Play and products underneath something called as subscriptions. So here also you don't need to go for in-app products because actually we are trying to give the subscriptions. So here you could see something like create subscriptions, but there is one edge case here. For example, if you already having an application that is give it for free, suddenly you just saying that I want to create a subscription model means it won't allow you to do that. For to do or enable the subscription, you just have to upload, could say draft APK or draft release, where you can say that, hey, I just want to continue subscription from this particular file onwards or particular APK onwards. Okay, so for that reason, please upload some kind of app by updating the version and keeping it a draft, and go ahead and if you see the subscription, you would see that this button gets enabled like a create subscription. Then start adding your subscriptions model here. Okay, here I call it as premium Tamil premium. And if you go underneath, you could see that a base plan, as I said, it is a Tamil. For each different languages, I'm asking for different subscriptions. But at the moment, I just asking only for the Tamil. Okay. So once it's done, then we are good to go for a coding perspective.